And welcome to another episode of Juice Moose TV. Today we're going to be replacing lock unlock. Let's look at the price here. Let's see. Looks like it's $87. I paid $47.74. Part numbers right there. PDS 160. This is for a 2005 F-150 Ford. And there she is. So, how do we replace the new switch? See, I have an account. Even though I spelled my name wrong, I have an account called Tommy's Place. Small screwdriver, flat, hopefully better than that. And you got to get it inside this thing here and pop it off. Oop. Oh, it's already loose. Thank God I got it loose already. All right, once she's loose, it's hard to hold the camera and do these videos at the same time. So I apologize, the quality's not too great on these, but you're gonna all get the gist once you get in there. All right, once you got it here, again, we're gonna use one, trying to use one hand here. We're gonna be taking off each connector. The green one is the door switch. That one there is the mirror. We're going to take these all off. So how do you do that with one hand? Well, I don't know. Basically, you slide in your screwdriver. This is horrible one hand. You slide your screwdriver in between there. And I can't really show you guys one hand. Anyway, you just pop them up. You just pop them all off. So give me 1 second. All right, I got two of them off. I have a little more room here now. There we go. Fuck, this is a bitch. You just put it underneath and they just pop up. It's just one-handed doesn't really work. Well, anyway, you get the idea. They just pop right off. Okay, guys? All right, once they're all off, got the thing in your hand. There's two little plastic nubs right there, one on each side. So you just slide a little flat blade screwdriver in there, give it a little pressure, and the switch will just pop right out. Again, sorry guys, I just can't do it one hand. I apologize. I don't have anyone to help me. All right, so once you put some pressure against those little, once you slide a screwdriver in between it, the switch just falls out. Again, I wish I could, show you properly how to do it, but I just don't have enough fingers. And I apologize. The new switch will press up the exact same way. Which way is it? I'm assuming it only goes one way. Yeah, it does. So you just push the switch in. Hear it click. Done. Brand new switch. Putting it back together is the same way. Again, these just press on and close it up. Probably the worst video I ever made on how to do a repair, but I think once you guys get in there, you'll get the gist of it. I know a lot of guys start taking the entire door panel off, and you don't have to take the entire door panel off. Just take this thing out. You can replace any of these switches. You've got your locks, you've got your up and down window, you've got your mirror, all these things, they just pop right out. So this is the hard part that most people get wrong. They take the entire door panel off thinking they have to, and you do not. Great idea to get in there and clean while you have a chance. Wipe everything off, probably never come out again. But yeah, I hope this video helps somebody. Sorry, it's probably my worst one. Take care.